Let's take it straight to our technical experts who are joining us this morning then. Kunal, Nooresh, hi, good to be speaking with you. Happy Saturday to you, an interesting one at that. If we do open at that 22,500 mark, what next for the markets, Nooresh?
Positive, like I've been saying for some time. Global indices are making new highs. We've seen Dow Jones back at 40,000. So in that case, ideally, if we have to just go back to the similarity to the world, we should go to 22,800 over the next few sessions or post elections. So the bias remains positive. 21,800 is now say a bottom for now, and till the time the event is not over. So for now, the bias is positive. The breadth is positive. We've hit mid-cap indices have hit an all-time high. So the viewers, Nifty should also eventually hit an all-time high.
From all practical purposes, right there, just 1.5% away. Rahul Shah is also joining us. Rahul, did you see how the narrative on the street from, kind of a panic, nervousness is coming back to relative confidence as far as the election outcome is concerned? And it is clearly reflected on the screen. It's coming in the bhav, as they say. Bhav mein aa raha hai.
Hi, good morning. I think Ajay, one thing is very thing. I think the market's volatility swing the way what the election narrative was. So I think if the markets keeps on moving higher and higher, I think the narrative keeps changing. That is what the sense what we see right now. So and obviously what you mentioned is quite true. I think post the phases which the elections have been going through and what we have been seeing through, and what suggests that obviously we know that. How the things are going to be. So looks interesting, and I think few more countdowns, I think few days to go about it for the main day.
Okay, point taken. That's the market view. So clearly there is lots lined up. But before I go to Sharad to get a sense of stocks and news, let me take it across to Kunal as well. Kunal, the Bank Nifty has been doing its bit as well. What's your take there? Because it went through the mark of 48,000. But do you think 50,000 is on the anvil for that one?
Well, yeah, I think we had a touch and go moment towards the 50K mark a couple of weeks back when the real correction started for the indices. But I believe that this could be a second leg of attempt back again for the Bank Nifty. And what's changed in the Bank Nifty, one of them, of course, is that the PSU banking stocks are showing mild pickup of price action. So this was very strong few weeks back. But the private sector banking names and the list of the stocks which are start to show signs of recovery is quite notable. You've seen Kotak Mahindra Bank recovering almost 10% from the major swing lows. HDFC Bank has started to get into recovery phase. Axis Bank has managed to get into a breakout. So there are many private sector banking stocks which are now leading the charge from the front, and that could probably catapult the Bank Nifty into a second leg of uptrend. So the texture has changed. The market internals have changed for Bank Nifty, and that's why I believe that whenever we break past about the 50K mark, if it's led by private sector banking stocks, it should be more durable.
Point taken. So that's a view on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and how the stock markets are pricing in the entire political arena as well. But just quickly wrapping up what happened in the global markets, because Dow is something we hit for the first time in terms of 40,000 level. Actually, we closed above that because we did touch that 40,000 mark. Nasdaq was a bit soft, but overall the global sentiment is positive. We saw a big spike in precious metals as well. Silver topped that $30 per barrel mark. Gold has been on the rising trend. So that's the overall setup from the globe as well. But back home.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.